Hello and welcome to Mudrex. In this video, we'll show you how to convert your INR funds to USDT on Mudrex. Please note that USDT on Mudrex can be used to invest in coin sets, to subscribe to earn, and to trade USDT futures. Also, to buy USDT, you need to have sufficient INR funds in your account. If your INR balance is low, please add INR first. To get started, tap on Spot Holdings on the Mudrex home screen. You can also find it in the Overview tab under Portfolio. Under Spot Holdings, tap on USDT Funds. Here, you'll see the option to buy or sell USDT. To convert INR to USDT, tap on Buy. On this screen, you can see your available INR balance. Enter the amount you wish to convert to USDT. Once this is entered, you can preview fees, your net buy amount, and the quantity of USDT you will receive. As you can see here, USDT buy fees on Mudrex remain 0. Once you've reviewed the details of your USDT purchase, tap Buy Now to proceed. And that's it. Once the transaction is successful, you'll see the USDT buy successful screen, and the USDT you just purchased will be credited directly to your USDT funds. You're now ready to start investing in coin sets and trading USDT futures on Mudrex. You may also choose to subscribe to earn interest on your USDT holdings. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at help@mudrex.com. Happy trading!
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact us at support@mudrex.com.